Mayor, parang klarong-klaro na you're very deliberate when it comes to giving your support to people you think that you can trust and
Yeah.
and stand with, shoulder to shoulder. Pero yung pagsuporta niyo po kay Pangulong Duterte, meron bang pag-aalinlangan or meron bang regrets na sinuportahan niyo siya?
Never. Never. I don't regret supporting him. I had the chance to work with him closely when I was head of CIDG. Ilang operations kami sa Davao noon. And he was very supportive. He was very genuine. When I became mayor, very genuine din yung the way he deals with me. Wala akong nakitang pretension sa kanya.
But then when you put that side by side with the deaths that happened, mga kababayan po
Oo nga,
natin.
nakakalungkot din. Nakakalungkot din na, alam mo kasi, ang presidente, syempre, strategic, strategic guidance lang yun sa kanya. What? Pero yung how, nasa implementing agencies eh. Ang nangyari, during the implementation na execution na, wala na, mali-mali na. Ang dami ng mali-mali eh. Ang dami ng mga flaws sa operations. Nakita ko yun eh. In fact, I was the head of the oversight ng anti-drug campaign, yung Tokang. I was the head of the oversight committee. And during our meetings, or command yung tinatawag nating paano ba yung tawag namin doon? Command conference.
Command conference, yeah.
Lagi kong binabanggit yan.
Sinasabi mo na.
Ay, oo. Talagang sinisita ko yung mga general. Binabanggit ko sa kanila, ito, yung mga findings namin. Sinasabi ko na, nagagalit din naman si Kwan. Si Kwan, pag sinasabihan ko na marespeto sa akin si Ronald si Shanshi PNP. Talagang nakikita niya kung pinapagalitan ko yung ibang mga general doon eh. Sabi niya, talagang sinusuportan niya. At nagbibigay din siya ng guidelines. Nagagalit din si Ronald, nakikita ko rin, pinapagalitan niya. Pero siyempre, nahihiya rin siyang talagang maging too aggressive kasi nandun kami na upper class niya na staff niya, na members of the command group. Pero genuine naman nakikita ko kay Ronald, kilala ko yan si Ronald. Very close yan sa akin.